more than a month po sila dito. So there have meron pong 3 phases po na gagawin for volunteers po. So parang 3 batches. So per batches ang maximum po nila is 20. So 20 volunteers every batch, no? So yung 20 volunteers po na yun, yun po yung maximum. So hindi po katulad before na talagang lahat ng yung kaming 50 plus before nasa buong stay ng ship. Pero ngayon para mabigyan po natin sila, mabigyan natin yung ibang mga kasama natin sa churches na mag-try magtumulong sa ship. So yun po yung inano nila, i-discuss po nila sa amin. And one more thing is kung maaari po, ma-share po natin sa ating mga members na nakapag-volunteer na last year na maibigay po sa ibang naman yung chances, no, na makapag-volunteer. And one more thing po na gusto rin po nilang i-discuss sa atin is yung kayong mga pastors po, hindi na po sana kayo mag-volunteer, ibigay na po natin. Especially sa mga kabataan po. Pero ang ano po nila is 18 and above. So hanggat kaya't makatulong, tutulong po. Parang yun po. So 20 per batches po ang ano nila.
60 volunteers.
So parang 60 volunteers sa box stay nila in total. Pero per batch, 20 lang po. So yun po. And
I want to add something regarding the volunteers. Like if last year we had like a flyer and we distributed for people to apply individually. This time, because the number is less, we will try to have a different strategy. That means Julie, she will collaborate directly with the pastors, and the flyer with the QR code can register. The pastor will be the person who is identifying that volunteers that he wants to make them grow. Maybe he's identifying in his own church people who are interested in ministry, who are interested in mission, who have a desire to grow. In this way, the pastor, he knows already, oh, I have these 3 people, I have these 4 people that really I want to give them the opportunity to be exposed and grow. And Julie, she will pass the volunteer application directly to the pastor, and the pastor, he will pass to the people who thinks that are good to be part of the volunteer program for this season.
and